Every space tells a story, and at Fold and Slide, we build the opening line. From wide, elegant folding doors that collapse effortlessly to sleek sliding systems that move like air, our solutions are made to transform walls into flow. Minimal frames, maximum impact. Built for Dubai's climate, engineered for silence, strength, and style. Need flexibility? Our acoustic glass partitions give you smart separation without losing natural light, perfect for offices, meeting rooms, and modern homes. We believe movement should be seamless, design should be timeless, and your space should always feel like it was built around you. From custom finishes to secure locking systems, every Fold and Slide product is a blend of precision engineering and elegant functionality. Built in the UAE, trusted across the Gulf. This is Fold and Slide, where structure becomes style.